Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rocio and this is Reese's Rizzos. And if it's your first time visiting me today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. All you have to do is click on that big bright red subscribe button, and then after clicking on the subscribe button, click on the bell, because the bell is what's gonna turn on your notifications, and then that way you'll never miss another one of my videos. So Olay sent me probably the coolest PR package I think I've ever received in the history of Reese's Rizzos, and it's this one right here. This one with my face on it, my face on an Olay box. Seriously y'all, when I opened this, I freaked out because it was probably one of the coolest things that I've ever gotten. And inside the box, there were some hidden surprises, which I'll talk about in just a moment, but the box itself just kind of reminded me of how much I need to take care of myself. This is my birthday month, and it's all about new beginnings for me. So in the last video, I talked about 15 things that I learned in 15 years. In this video, I wanna talk about the future. I wanna focus on what's to come and ways that I can better myself and better my life and take care of myself and treat myself. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with y'all a couple tips on how to treat yourself and also focus on self-care. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this video is sponsored by Olay, and so since number one is all about masking and pampering yourself, then I thought I'd go ahead and start with the new Olay mask clay sticks, which is actually what came in my box, the box with my face on it. And they sent me three, but the one that I've been loving the most has been the Olay Mask Glow Boost clay stick. Anything that says the word glow, I just kind of gravitate towards, because who doesn't like, come on y'all, who doesn't like a natural glow? So I'll tell you in a second about why I love these masks, but Sundays are for starting over, right? It's like hitting the reset button. It's the one day a week where I tell myself, Rocio, you need to get it together. And y'all know that I haven't been sleeping well. It's like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm posting my thoughts on Instagram stories when I just can't sleep. I can't for the life of me close my eyes and just go to sleep. And y'all can certainly tell when I've been lacking sleep because my skin just looks tired, it looks dry, it looks stressed. I finally found a way to hit that reset button physically for my face. Now, I used to love using face masks because I love the way that it made my skin feel afterwards. I love the results that it gave me, but I hated applying them. It just gets so messy. You have to put your hand in the product and then you're like contaminating it for future use, and then you have to put that back on your face later. And if you're using brushes, then you have to clean the brushes after that. And then sometimes the face masks leave your skin really tight and very dry when it's on your face and kind of like itching, like you want to take it off. But when I got to using these, I love the concept of all mask, no mess, because it comes in this retractable tube and you basically just apply it all over your face, kind of like you're drawing the mask onto your skin. No mess at all, and it just makes applying the mask so easy, super precise, which is also great for multi-masking. Like I said, there are 3 to choose from, so if you wanted to use all 3 at the same time, then why not? And these masks are also formulated with glycerin, so if you're a curly girl, then you should know by now that glycerin is really great with hydration and with moisture. So if you're applying this onto your face, then it's not gonna leave it super dry or super hard or super like tight or bleh. Like I said, I've been loving the Glow Boost because I feel like it gives me a glow, like a nice natural glow from within. And who doesn't love a natural glow? It just gives me more confidence to go without makeup, which for me is a really great way to hit that reset button to start the week. That way you can go a day or 2 without applying any makeup and just letting your skin breathe a little bit more. Plus, when you have that natural glow from within, you don't need makeup, which I think is a win for everybody, right? So you can go ahead and treat yourself to Olay Mask Clay Sticks, which you could find at Walmart. So number one is all about masking and pampering yourself and treating yourself to something on the physical beauty standpoint. So you can also pamper yourself with manis and pedis and massages. And don't forget that treatments like deep conditioning and protein treatments are also ways to treat yourself too. Number 2 is to exercise regularly. I hated exercising before. I used to think of it as a chore, but now I remind myself that exercising is a version of self-care. And if you find the right fitness routine, then it doesn't feel like a chore. It kind of feels like a high almost. It's like a perk in your life. So if you're thinking of it that way, then it'll help you focus on the fact that you're treating yourself to your health. Like I said, I hated working out, but then a friend of mine introduced me to barre and I absolutely loved it. So barre is like a mixture between yoga and ballet class and Pilates, and I feel like I'm getting a J-Lo workout. I also love it because it's a judgment-free zone and you can kind of work at your own pace, and the instructor is really there to guide you and make sure that you get the best out of your class so that you're the most toned that you can possibly be. So yeah, that's another way that I treat myself and I hit that reset button on myself physically. Number 3 is focused on spirituality. So when I think of self-care, I think of my spirit, and there are a couple of times in my past where I wanted to like just turn out that light from inside, and when you shut the light off, it's almost like everything else in your life loses balance, right? So one of the things that I've been doing is writing in a prayer journal every night, and if you're not somebody that's super religious, then think of it as a meditation journal or a gratitude journal, or just some kind of diary, I guess. I don't know. Just something that you can write your thoughts in every night. So for me, I feel like I'm more in tune and aligned with my spirit whenever I'm writing to God. Just writing up prayers for guidance and asking Him to light up the path that He wants me to follow. So I'm not like, Lord, what do you want me to do? Doing this regularly will keep you from wanting to turn out that light from inside and keep you focused. So remember, self-care mentally and spiritually is also very important. Number 4 is buying yourself flowers. There's something therapeutic about going to the store and picking out flowers that just make you happy and bringing them home and cutting them up and putting them in a vase and then displaying them somewhere where you can always see them. It just makes you feel great. And so we buy flowers for other people on special occasions, right? But when you buy flowers for yourself for no good reason, I feel like that is reason enough to remind you that every day is a special occasion. So buying yourself flowers is a really great mood booster and also a way to treat yourself. Number 5 is all about conversations and speaking from the heart. So find somebody that you absolutely trust, whether it's a friend, a family member, a spouse, and just tell them, you know what? Let's chat. Grab a coffee, some tea, some water, and just sit there and talk. Our lives get so busy and sometimes we're just scrolling all day and we think that we're making connections, but we're not. There's something really special about the dynamic between two people who are having a real physical conversation where they're speaking from their minds and their hearts. You're speaking and you're telling what's on your mind, but you're also listening to what the other person has to say. Conversations are healthy, whether it's to vent or to celebrate. Sharing is important. Keeping your emotions to yourself is suffocating at times, and so sharing your emotions with other people is another way to hit that mental reset button. And that's basically it, y'all. 5 ways to treat yourself and hit that reset button, whether it be mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, all aspects of your life. So if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And big thank you to Olay for sponsoring this video and for sending me this box with my face on it and the products that were inside. The clay mask can be found at Walmart, and if you want a direct link for it, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. And let me know in a comment below of some other ways that you're pampering yourself, that you're treating yourself. Let me know what they are in a comment below. I love y'all. Un besito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.